Hey guys, do you constantly worry about how you can get rid of that extra fat? Today I will show you 3 yoga asanas that will help you reduce excessive body fat and improve your overall health. So let's get started. The first asana is Adho Mukha Svanasana, or the downward facing dog. Adho means forward, Mukha is face, Swana is the dog. This posture replicates a dog bending forward, hence the name downward facing dog. This asana can be practiced by any beginner, and with all its benefits, one should include it as a part of daily yoga practice. Now, how to do this pose? Come onto your all fours. Form a table with your body such that your back forms the tabletop and your hands and feet form the legs of the table. Exhaling, lift the hips up, straightening the knees and elbows, forming an inverted V shape with the body. Keep the abdomen tucked in and spine long. Hands are shoulder width apart, feet are hip width apart and parallel to each other. Toes point straight ahead. Keep the legs as straight as possible with the heels on the mat. Press your hands into the ground. Keep the neck long and the head between the ears. Keep your gaze at your navel. Hold the downward dog pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Take long, deep breaths. Exhaling, bend the knees and return to the tabletop position. Take a few seconds break and then repeat this 2 more times. This asana benefits you by strengthening the whole body, upper body, arms, shoulders, abdomen and legs, and also calms the mind and stimulates blood circulation. However, avoid doing this pose if you suffer from high blood pressure, carpal tunnel syndrome, detached eye retina, weak eye capillaries, dislocated shoulder or any shoulder injury. Now the next pose we have is Santulan Asana, also called as the plank pose. This is a part of the sun salutation sequence. It is a great core strengthening pose as it engages all major muscles of the body. How to do this pose? To begin with, come into tabletop pose by placing your hands just under your shoulders and knees bent. Now straighten your legs one by one. Keep your legs and spine in one line, and your arms and shoulders straight and active. Abdomen must be pulled in, neck straight. Hold this pose for 10 seconds with normal breathing. With practice, increase the duration to 1 to 2 minutes of hold. When done, come back to the tabletop pose and sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Practice 3 rounds of this pose. This pose strengthens the core and the entire body tremendously. Your shoulders and wrists become stronger with regular practice. However, avoid this pose in cases of injuries, arthritis, and heart ailments. Now the next pose is Standing Vakrasana, the spinal twist. We are going to be doing the standing variation of this pose. How to do this pose? Stand on the mat with the feet 2 feet apart, feet parallel with toes pointing ahead. Keep the back straight. Shoulders roll back and down, chin parallel to the ground. Inhaling, raise arms forward and maintaining a shoulder width distance between them. Fix your gaze at your thumb. Exhaling, twist the upper body from the waist to your left side. Immediately inhaling, bring your upper body to the center. Exhaling, twist slowly to the right side. Inhaling, come back to the center. Exhaling, bring the arms down to the sides. This completes one round. Pause for a few seconds and do this whole sequence 5 more times. Please remember, move the neck, shoulders and the hands as one unit. Do not lean back while twisting. Ensure the movements are smooth and without any jerks. Twisting has to be done to one's capacity, so do not strain. This standing variation of the asana will help in reducing the flap from the sides of the waist. This posture also strengthens the lower back and removes any back stiffness. However, avoid practicing this asana in cases of severe back pain, abdominal inflammations, ulcers and sciatica. So guys, yoga not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, but also rejuvenates your mind and body, promoting overall wellness. It is a safer alternative to other weight loss therapies or surgical procedures that may come with risks and complications. It's a gentle yet effective approach that not only helps with weight loss but also improves your flexibility, strengthens your muscles and reduces stress and anxiety. And with regular yoga practice, you'll notice positive changes in your overall well-being, from better sleep to improved digestion and a clearer mind. Please make sure to consult a medical practitioner before you try these poses at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.